Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Downtown Waycross Cruise Inn. And this is the Grand Tour. We're going to take you around and talk about some of the cars. This is a new kind of video for us, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we have made it out to the Waycross Downtown Cruise Inn. And check out this beautiful old dent side Ford. F100 even. Beauty. There's a lot of awesome cars out here. I'm gonna tell you. Like, look at this old coupe here. That thing's cool, isn't it? And this old GMC rat rod. He was at the burnout competition at Rumble at the Ranch. So there's all kind of stuff out here to look at. I didn't expect it to be this big, but it definitely surprised me. Of course, I think it's so big because they only do it like, I don't know, once a month, once every other month or something like that. It's not a every month thing. They just shut down downtown, Old Town Waycross and cruise them in. Hey, old good looking old Nova. A couple of Mustangs. Another couple of Mustangs over here that are even better. Some old Volkswagens. Yeah, they just got all kind of stuff out here.
Where are you from?
Another old dent side Ford. I love their Fords up here. Looks like I love anything hot rod up here. But welcome to the Grand Tour. We're taking you on the Grand Tour of this little show here. I like this here Mustang right here, Cobra with the Whipple supercharger. That thing is nice. I heard him come in. Got you a couple old gangster cars there.
No, I needed
Cougar Eliminator. You don't see them very much. I love this old Chevy here, old 3100. It is sweet. It's F-150 here. Wish mine looked like that. This one here, this old Nomad's got a little secret under the hood. I probably could show you, but I don't know how to do it. Oh, there you go. Just a little peek.
Well, as long as she's here, you ain't got a hard time.
Love this old dually square body. Don't see very many of them running around. Most of them lived a hard life. going to wrap it up for this grand tour of the Waycross Downtown Cruise In. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to try to do more of these videos in the future so you can see what's at the show while I'm at the show and I can talk about it. So stay tuned for more. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Downtown Waycross Cruise In. We thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a great show. And it just happened to be on an evening, which we don't usually have a lot of evening events. So it worked out. And there were a lot of different cars out there. You know, sometimes it's good to go to a different area and check out what they got going on. You see different stuff. So, yeah, we're going to try to plan to get up to more of their events just because it was different. And, well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Every time you like and subscribe, it helps out the channel, and so we can keep on going and keep doing this so you guys can keep watching.